Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who viewed your Facebook profile. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, you have to simply first of all access your particular Facebook app on your mobile phone, and once you have done so, this is how, here in this home section, this is how it's gonna be, right? So right afterwards, go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top left again. Come over here, tap on this option of a three dot beside, and right over here simply go ahead, tap on this option of turn on professional mode. Tap on turn on, and there you go, we have simply turned it on. Now we gotta go back and simply refresh your profile once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface, right, which will show your setup, your profile success, etc., including this C dashboard. Go ahead, tap on it, tap on get started, and then you will be able to find this option of reach, content published, engagement, and net followers. Tap on see more insights, and if your profile has reached so many people and they have access to your profile according to the activity that they do with your profile, you will be able to check out the reaches likewise over here and all the information regarding it. So this is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.